This is a tour of the garden. It starts with the bird of paradise, and these are indoor plants which have been kicked out of the living room because the water leaked and mommy couldn't take it anymore. This is a planter near a pillow with honeysuckle going up the pillow and extending both ways, and in the other end is the Confederate jasmine. And if you come down, we have roses, and this is the potted garden in the middle of the patio. As we come to the other end, we have Penta and some annual plants. Now here is the circle with the picnic table, and we have zinnia here, and of course here is our Hawaiian umbrella. This is a tiki torch which is covered with aluminum wrap at this time. Along the palm tree I have two plants, one with yellow honeysuckle and one with the red honeysuckle. And then there are some plants here, and then the planter in which the bird of paradise came, that was too small, so that is now a planter for Penta. And here are roses and the second tiki torch. As we pass through the garden, on the left hand side I have perennial plants, and they are blooming very nicely. In the far end is the French lavender, and then this is our olive tree. As we come here, this is the area where we have the butterfly garden, and here is my oregano. Then here are my strawberries, and here are my daylilies, and then a small vegetable garden. This is my jalapeno pepper. These are sunflowers which I planted as seeds, and they are coming up very strong. This is my squash, and next is my eggplant. They are doing rather poorly, and this is the newest plant which I have. As we go to the other side, here is a bottle brush, here is pomegranate, and here is fig. Here is a bush which I have which bears yellow flowers, but it hasn't bloomed yet, and these are Mexican purple flowers. They come every year and they have multiplied. This is my new plant with the yellow hibiscus. This is my second olive tree. This is the only plant I have of this color, which is really gorgeous. Then I have lilies here. I have carpet plant, and then there are roses. And this is how it looks from the distance. That's the look at the backyard.